straight ahead, looking straight ahead. And pull up, pull up, pull up. Up, 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 keep going up. Stop there, go hard left, go, 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 left, 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 all the way left, all the way, harder, harder, harder. Okay, keep it going, keep it going.
Shit.
There you go, and stop there. Smoothly, pull up, pull up, pull up. Up, 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 that's okay though, isn't it?
Oh, that's cool.
Okay, stop there, go hard right, go, 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 right, 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 harder, 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 keep going, right round. That's it there, stop there, smoothly, harder, 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 keep pulling it back, keep pulling, a little harder, and hold it where it is now, stop it there, good. That's it, just holding it still. That's exactly what we're looking for, nice loop. How'd that feel?
That's cool.
Okay, look outside, go, go. Now go round twice, okay, go round twice, there's one. Round to go, and stop there, good. Okay, we'll do that to the left, okay, pull up, pull up, pull up. Up, 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 up. Stop, hard left, go, all the way until you can't go further. Harder, harder, that's it. Now there's one, keep going, round to the second. And